Yeah, Shrikant, Rahman, Ragul, Onkar. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. See here. Okay, last session I explained about source list. Source list. What is the meaning of source list means? You can maintain different vendor informations for one material. Okay, one material that we can call source list. Okay, now today class purchase info record we are going to discuss. Purchase info record. We can call PIR. PIR, purchase info record. PIR. Excuse me. Door. Just move it. Okay. 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 Purchase info record. See, source list means for one material, different vendors. But this is for one material, one vendor. What is the price? Present price means material I am supplying. This material I am supplying. What is the price? She is vendor. What is her price? What is your price? All will maintain record by like vendor will be same. Okay, materials will be different. Meaning combination of vendor and material with latest prices and conditions information we can maintain using purchase info record. Understood this point? Write down this one definition. Combination of vendor and material. Okay, vendor and material. Vendor and material. Combination. You can enter. You can enter in AR with the pricing conditions. The pricing conditions. The pricing conditions and latest price information. We can call PIR. Types of PIR or info categories. Categories. Types of PIR. Standard PIR. This is first one. Consignment PIR. Subcontract PIR. And pipeline PIR. Okay, standard PIR. Consignment PIR. Subcontracting PIR. These three are different examples, separate examples, latest like last concepts. Okay, advanced concepts. That time I will discuss PIRs. Okay, consignment, subcontracting, last classes. Now today class we are going to discuss. I am going to discuss about okay standard PIR. Standard PIR definition. This is only vendor and material with the latest price information. Standard PIR means vendor and material with the latest price information can maintain under PIR. under standard PIR. Standard PIR. For that here we have different transaction code list. We have T code list in PIR. ME11 create PIR. PIR means purchase info record. ME12 change PIR. ME30 display PIR. ME14 display changes. Block PIR. ME1L list report. List report PIR by vendor. Okay, these are all the transaction codes. T code list under purchase info record. Okay. Now we have to configure backend. Okay, we have to configure backend number ranges. We have to configure number ranges first. Okay, number ranges for purchase info record. First configuration. Okay, configuration steps. Without backend configuration, we cannot create. Okay, if you create without standard number ranges will come, but you are going to configure your own number ranges. Here, material we configure number ranges, material vendor numbers we configure same procedure, but to configure here our own number ranges for PIR also. Right, steps. Okay, go to SPRO steps. Go to SPRO. Okay, SAP reference IMG. Okay, SAP reference IMG. Okay, material management, purchasing. Okay, purchasing. Under that source list. Sorry, source list, purchase info record. Source list last class we configured. Now purchase info record. Another define number ranges. Execute. In material types, we configure that time groups. Okay, same procedure here, groups. Okay, we have two groups. One is for material, another is for non-material services. Right down. Go to groups. Maintain groups. Okay, maintain groups. Okay. Here we have to create our own group name. How to create? Create group create. Next. Almost same as material type. Okay, material type. Okay, group create. Click on this. Click on this. This is which project we are working? Usha, no? Usha material purchase info record. Just my own naming convention. Here you can enter the one number range. Okay, any number series. Maybe I don't know which number is existed or not. I don't know. Okay, enter the number range series. Okay, enter the number range. Any number series, but in your laptop, it will show automatically that number range. But here it is not showing in your laptop. Once if you press automatically number ranges, whatever empty number ranges are there, all number ranges it is coming. Okay, click on save. Save. Now it is going to save. Okay, save it. Okay, click on save. Okay, now it is saved. Back. Okay, back button. Okay, back. See now here down. Usha material. By default, last session we created material types. Okay, then we assign to our group. But by default here, IL and IN are the groups names or element names. IN is for materials, IL is for non-materials, meaning services. Meaning whenever you are using materials, we have to maintain IN is for our group. Okay, meaning here IN is there in your laptop, double click element group. You are to assign to your group name, Usha group name. Then for our material types, for our material, whenever you create our material types, one info record number within this number series, it will come within this number series. This number series it will generate. Okay. Purchase info record for material is this number series. Purchase info record for services IL. Write down one note. Purchase info record. Otherwise, if you want to maintain both IL and IN in same Usha group, IL element group, Usha materials. That's it. Okay, like this you have to assign. Write down. Select here. Here IL and IN are material element. Sorry, elements. Okay. In bracket materials and services. Material and services. We have to assign to the we have to assign to group. We have to assign to our group. Okay, we have to assign to our group. Click on save. Okay, now it is assigned. Only number ranges I created. How to create number range we'll see later. Back. Okay, I'll repeat one more time. Groups. I created by using create and group. Maintain your own naming conventions and number ranges. Then click on save. After that, one second. After that, you will get your group name like this. Okay, so here I created AMPL before. I assigned both. Now AMPL project is over. Now I assigned okay, Usha project, our project. Okay. Next time, whenever I create another student, then I'll create another group like that. Okay, you just create group. Those IL and IN both you have to attach to your group name. Okay, your group name. Save it and back. Okay, save it back. This is only that only I have shown you. Select IL element group. Okay, select IL and element group. Okay, element group. Once if you click element group, it will show all groups. Okay, all groups. Which group you have to assign? I assigned already Usha. That you have to select it. Okay, if your project is Kodak, you can assign Kodak. Okay, like that. Then save it. Then back. Okay, back. Go to define screen layout. Okay, go to define screen layout. Very simple step, only 2 steps here. Define screen layout. Okay, execute. Okay, execute. Execute. ME11. Okay, ME11. Double click. Double click. Go to GRIR control, field selection group. Double click on GRIR control field selection group. If you observe, I told you what is the T code for create PR? ME11. Observe now. Let me open one more session. I'll keep it ME11 also. Okay, I'll open ME11 parallelly. Okay, later I'll see. So now first I'll select the GRIR control, but there is no field, important field here. We'll keep it a validation type optional only. Okay, no need. Next, click on next selection. In general master data, same we selected in the same way. Next groups here, you observe now here. Observe now. In purchase info record, what are the fields we have? Vendor, material, purchase info organization, plant, info category. Is it correct? Now, which one we selected mandatory? Tell me. 4 we selected: vendor, material, purchase info record, plant. Info record I not select mandatory. Why? Because we are generating. Okay, we are generating right now. In first screen, all are required entries. Okay, but in your laptop, it is optional. Is there? You select that. Okay, right. Select all required entries. Okay, select all required entries. Okay, all required entries. Info category no need. Info category if you check it, you have to enter your number range. Okay, keep it. Next, next entry. Purchase group. Okay, it is not mandatory actually. Okay, but let it be. Purchase group. Okay, purchase group. Purchase group. Next, only this is mandatory. Remaining in all are optional. Which record is mandatory, which record is optional, they will provide to you clearly. According to that, you have to configure. Okay. We never decide our own field name here. Okay, this is required, this is required. We never enter. Okay, each and every company they have some requirement. According to that, they will provide to you. Just you have to configure. Next entry. Okay, next. Next. Here, order unit. Write down this one. These three are very important. Order unit, basic unit of measure, and standard PO quantity. Okay. Next, price, net price. Okay, these are all the fields are mandatory. In your laptop also, whenever you are practicing, these fields are mandatory in your project also. In your project, compulsory you have to check these particular options. Okay. Check. Next, remaining not required. Delivery time also it is there. Delivery time, planned delivery time means how many days. Okay, delivery time. Okay, planned delivery time. Okay, select. That's it. No need to go. Okay. Remaining all are you just leave it blank. Okay, leave it blank. Then testing. Okay, right. Next testing. Go to SAP menu. Go to SAP menu. Double click on ME11. Create. Double click. Select the vendor. Browse. What is the company code we created? UI03. Okay. Find out your vendors. You have to maintain all the vendor list. Tata India. One vendor. Materials also we created. Okay. Maintain all your information because these all four are mandatory. What is the material number? Just knock the door. They are just okay. Plant name. US. What is the plant name? US. USHB. Okay. Select the plant. Okay, select the plant. Now, what is the purchasing organization? Same USHB only. What is the plant? USHB. Okay, fill the all the. Okay, fill all this. Fill all these details. Okay. Class is running. Okay. Vendor, material, purchasing organization, and plant. Okay. Info record is empty. Select here standard. Okay. Select here standard. Okay. Select standard. See, info record we are generating. That's why I did not enter here info record number. This is internal. Internal means system will generate number. Okay. Create. Which one? Standard. I told you 4 types. Say chargeable. Okay. Chargeable. Okay. This is an. It is not there. Only 4 types only. I don't know why it is coming. In your laptop also it won't come. Okay. Only standard, subcontracting, pipeline. Somebody Abapor is added, I think. Okay. Consignment. Okay. Select the standard. Continue. Then it will go to next screen. Okay. Write on. This is Usha purchase. Okay. Info record. Number of reminders. Okay. 3 days, 5 days. Okay. Enter first reminder, second reminder, and as well as third reminder. First reminder, second reminder, and third reminder. Click on continue. Planned delivery times 5 days. Standard quantity is 100 kgs. Planned delivery. See, whatever mandatory, only those fields it is asking. Okay. 100 kgs. Say latest price. Okay. This is only important. What is the net price per kg? Okay, 100 rupees I am giving. 100 kgs into 100 rupees. Total 10,000. It is a total price. Okay. I entered delivery time, quantity, price. Okay, price. Write down. These 6 fields I selected, 7 fields. Okay. Click on enter. 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 Save. Okay. Enter. Enter. Save. So now purchase info record is created. Where you will see this purchase info record means while creation, like whenever you are creating purchase order for this vendor and this material, system will pick automatically this price. I'll repeat this step. Whenever you create purchase order, based on vendor and material, system will pick automatically these prices and conditions in purchase order. Okay, I'll show it later, but now I created. Okay, I created this particular. Okay, I'll repeat the same step for another vendor. How to create same material? For this vendor, I maintain 100 rupees. How to create for another vendor? Just I'll change the vendor number. This candidate is supplying only 95 rupees. How to maintain? Enter. For the second vendor, vendor 2 delivery time. Just I change the delivery time. 10 days, 100 kg, 97 rupees. Save it. Okay, save it. Now I maintain. Understood. Like that, any vendors. Okay, any vendors. Okay, any vendors. Procedure is same procedure. For when procedure is same procedures. Okay, 95 rupees. Sorry, I entered wrong. Okay, this procedure we are calling vendor info record. If you want to change any conditions like pricing conditions or something, like if you want to change it, okay, how to change? I don't. P ME12. Okay, ME12, ME13, ME14, ME15, all are same. Write down. To change purchase info record ME12. To change purchase info record ME12. Enter ME12. Okay. Yeah, tell me. Any doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. ME12. Go to enter the same vendor number, same material purchasing organization. Enter. See here I did not enter conditions. I can maintain now conditions. 1, okay, 5, 15. Like these conditions I can maintain. If I click here conditions, if it is maintained, share conditions is not okay, pricing conditions. Yeah. Okay, go to enter. Go to delete all the records. Okay, it will say all the records. This is we can call. Okay, here share net price I maintained, but here it is showing 0. Why means in backend somebody changed this conditions information. So somebody changed this pricing conditions information. That's why here, but in your laptop, whenever you maintain, pricing conditions will come automatically. Okay, pricing conditions. Even I can change those pricing conditions by using SPRO. It will take some time. Okay, instead of that, okay, I'll run this now. Okay, let me show that one also. This is not subject, right? Continuous subject. Just example. Some error is getting. That's what I'm checking that error using uh, material management. Somewhere here we have conditions is there. Pricing. Okay, here we have conditions is there. Okay, this is the pricing conditions. Okay, using these pricing conditions, here we have price determinations. Here we have the schema determinations is there. Okay, schema determinations. And for purchase order schema for this one, let me check one schema name. Okay, for default it is somebody maintained with okay, for default it is maintained already. Somebody changed some settings here backend. That's why it is we are not getting conditions. Okay, we are not getting conditions. Okay, once if you maintain these conditions here, this net price will update. Okay, net price, whatever price we maintain, that price will update. Still running. Still. Okay, I'll check it later. Okay, this is the T code, ME12 is a T code to change the purchase info record. What is only display? Okay, ME14 display changes. Okay, meaning now I changed here. Let's see. I changed already conditions 1, 10, 15. Those changed information it will show under ME14. Write down. ME14 means display changes. Okay, ME14 is display changes. Okay, display changes. Double click. Enter your purchasing organization and plant. Enter purchasing organization and plant. Execute. Okay, execute. Okay, it is asking info record name. I'll select one info record name. Okay, execute. Execute. Here you can observe now. First time old value it was 0, 0, 0. Now I rename 5, 15. Okay, display changes means only change in information it will show who is changed. When it is changed, it will record. Okay, it will record. Okay, that we can call display changes. Okay, display changes. Next. Okay, flag for deletion. Next. Next flag for okay, ME15. Flag for deletion. Okay, double click on this. Okay, double click on this. Okay. For this vendor and this material, we can block. We can flag for delete. Means if you select this option here, if you select this option, these two like either vendor, either material combination. Okay, you cannot use it in PO purchase order. Okay, enter the vendor material purchasing organization. Done. Go to ME15. Enter details. Go to ME15. Flag info record for deletion. Flag info record for deletion. Continue. You can see here. Do you want to flag for a total complete info record or only purchasing info record? Okay, both if you select it now, full vendor and purchasing info related information material, all it will be deleted. Save it. Control S. Okay, so here it is changed. Now, if you want to restore it once again, just select it and restore it. It is recorded. Let's see here. Now I updated. Even sometimes in ME14, if you observe this info record, maybe if it is changed, see here. Deletion flag, deletion flag. That is also recorded. I deleted first. See here. I deleted. Okay, deleted. Later, I removed. Okay, this is the way to check that one. Next, report list display ME1L by vendor wise purchase info record. Okay, vendor wise purchase. Next 4 sessions, almost same T codes, same type of T codes. Next, purchase PIR. Sorry, after PIR, quota is there. Quota arrangement, purchase requisition, request for quotation, purchase order, contract, scheduling agreement. All 6 transactions, same as it is, no differences. First, you have to maintain number ranges. You have to maintain the screens, and you have to maintain the hide options or required fields. Then you have to do the steps. All 6 sessions are same as it is. Right now, ME1L by vendor. Okay, double click. Okay, double click. Okay, double click. Enter the vendor number. Otherwise, leave it. Okay, enter the only plant and purchasing organization. Okay, plant and purchasing. Click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Here, vendor wise it will show. Normally, actually no price is found, no price is found because of conditions problem. But here it will show the even for this vendor, what is the price? Material is same. Price it will show clearly. Okay, price it will show here. But here price is not maintained. Okay, let me check today. Okay, same server I'll check it today. Okay, tomorrow class I'll show the prices. Okay, prices. Okay, this is report. Vendor is one, but material is different. Sir, this vendor is supplying this material. Some prices will come. Same vendor, sorry, other vendor, material is same. Material is same. Understood? Otherwise, do one thing. If you try for the material wise, 14, no 514, I think 514. See now, if I try material wise, it will show two vendors. See here, material is same. Sorry, which one I selected? Material wise, we will select ME1M. Okay, ME1M I'll select. So here material wise, I'll execute it. Check now. Material is one. How many suppliers? What is the prices also it will show? That is only. Meaning report if you generate it, either material wise, either vendor wise, it will show clearly what is the prices related. Now once if you click here that price related information, like using price simulations, it will show what is the 100 kg price simulations it will show. But here no prices. Okay, no prices. Okay, normally if it is price is there, it will show clearly that price related information. Okay, price related. Okay, this concept you can call purchase info record. Tomorrow class I'll show the price also. Why means some backend, okay, backend configuration here schema. Backend they did not create properly for vendors. For assignment is not there properly. Purchasing organization, new entries. What is our purchasing organization? USHB, no? Usha. Save it. Okay, assignment purchasing screen too. USHB. Okay, just I'm checking. Let me check now. I maintain some backend configuration. ME12 vendor number. See now net price has come. Okay. Now I'll maintain the net price 100. Go to conditions. Okay, still not at conditions. Here we'll see here. Oh, it's not saving that conditions is not saving. So determine the condition type for the price. It is not possible. Okay, condition type backend condition type. They deleted this condition type. RM00. It is a calculation schema. It is maintained already. Okay, this I will check it today. Okay, anyhow, the same topic it will come. PB00. RM00. slash. Sir, it's not coming. Okay, I'll change it today. Okay, this settings, sir, it is accepting only 0. Whenever I save the amount, it is coming 0, but it should not come like that. Okay, for each vendor, we have to maintain the price information, sir. Then whenever you simulate it, it will show the list of prices. Okay, list of prices. I'll run once again tomorrow. Tomorrow quota arrangement and PR. Okay, PR. Okay, after PR, then we'll go for next level purchase order. Okay, that level will go. Okay, any doubt? Ask me. Online users, Shruti.
No, sir.
Okay, tomorrow it is an important session. It's related to purchase cycle. Okay, purchase cycle. Because now almost we are in middle. Now next purchase info record onwards, because purchase PR purchase requisition onwards. Okay, very important topic. Each and everything is when every topic is related to project. Each and every topic up to now, these all are base. Like base means material is not there, we cannot create it. If vendor is not there, we cannot create. Purchase info record is there, you will get error. Source list, if it is not there, you will get error. Like that, we created base. Now, based on these particular basics, then we will create purchase record, PO, RFQ, goods receipt, IR. These concepts we are going to discuss. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start the quota arrangement. After that, PO. Quota arrangement fractions. Okay. After that, purchase cycle, we can call cycle. Okay. Cycle or source cycle. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start. Okay. The topic almost 8 to only tomorrow. Okay. That is a third or fourth question in interviews. Third or in your, I mean, they'll ask what is purchase cycle. Okay. Minimum 5 to 10 minutes question, that is. Okay. Minimum 5 to 10 questions. Any doubt? Okay. Just practice today. Okay. We'll continue tomorrow. Same as it is. Okay. Same 9:30. Okay. 9:30.
Thank you, sir.